So there's three guys. But is this
Yes, it's from all this area.
but everything is authentic, real one. Which century?
Sometimes the Toyotomi Hideyoshi is, I mean, this unified, I mean, three.
Who is the main one?
Main actually that is Tokugawa Ieyasu. That is for 260 years for Edo period. I mean, he just, I mean, they made it the castle.
So this is like local king.
Not local king. This is a major, not a king, but I mean, it's different from imperial.
You have imperator and then you
There's a
have.
higher rank. We unify they divide the different small nations together. So, okay, that's we go. You just specified for this area. So you feel that this is the way to temple? But you know, Mr. Right? This is ceramic is from this area. I mean, Noritake. Have you heard it, the brand name, the Noritake?
No, never heard, but look like beautiful. So Phoenix,
The Phoenix.
it's your.
Basically, we have the Kirin. That is not real one. Kirin, Phoenix, Toro, and Dragons. Four different, very spiritual.
Kirin?
Kirin.
Who is Kirin?
Kirin.
Да, beer.
Yeah.
What is whose?
I mean,
Which animal?
the Kirin is Kirin. That is imaginational. It's not real one. You're familiar with the beer, right?
Да, beer I know.
Yeah, that is exactly the Kirin. Just Phoenix is flying.
Okay, and dragon.
Sorry, you know, we had 400 artworks in the hotel as like art gallery.
So dragon. Art gallery.
Dragons just flying. Like
But you just keep this or also resell?
That's right. So if you need some more details, the QR code here. See the detail, the Phoenix. Now we going up to our major suite. As you mentioned, 3 million yen.
3 million suites.
Here we have luxury, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the deluxe, and 9, 10 is club, and 11 is suite.
11階です。11th floor. 下に参ります。Going down.
So this highest floor.
Did you see the mountains on the left hand side? That's mountain called Ontake. That is over 3,000 high. And also, did you see that the high mountains with the snow capped? That is we call the Central Alps. That one. This is Nagano area.
No, I understand. Is this some museum? Means stadium? This one?
This is Aichi Arena. Yeah, they have the sports event and live music live events. Oh wow! Yes. You're so lucky to see the mountain today.
Yeah, so very clear. So house, second house is there, right? You say there's two houses, big one and small.
This is a real one. This main building, and also on the left hand side, yeah, they have the houses for the people. This is the real one. This is only one building actually is remain original one. They all destroyed it. That is, 400 years old.
Mm-hmm. 1101.
Yes.
So this 3 million suit. Okay.
It's our signatures.
What's the name?
Presidential suite.
Toyota Presidential Suite.
It's combined with very traditional Japanese craft work, artwork, and the modern Japanese.
How big?
It's 200 square meters.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's not a hot spring, but it's hot water pool. Thanks, Brian.
Okay, very important.
See the TV tower is there? Downtown area. We call it Sakae. This is railway station.
So I mean this one?
TV station there is Sakae, downtown area. Also we have here see the round roof and then Nagoya Dome. There we have professional baseball teams. This is the west. West area. Here in the south, here is the east. That is the north.
architecture style. Not usual for Japan.
There's a no? I'm not sure. This is a hot spring. It's very natural.
But you bring water from where?
I mean, from
House in Sam.
it's very real natural. Sand. So if this one, hot springs, espresso hot spring. That's
Everything total.
yeah. This is from this area. The whiskey, Chita, and also it's from Gil area. You like it?
Vodka, no.
No.
Not really.
So how did you get here? With a taxi from
Mhm.
station?